feelings. I've got to go with evidence.
We're not gonna get to see Ivan. Not ever again.
Well, they're just typical hard-working family that lost their brother and don't know what to do. At least we've got one guy in jail for murder. The other is charged with unrelated aggravated assault. I'd say that's pretty good. It could be a lot worse.
You know what you're being charged with? Murder.
In Memphis, Sergeants Ron Collins and Kevin Lundy are investigating the murder of Antonio Spann, nicknamed Black, shot dead in a doorway. Detectives have the suspect, Mariko P. Wee Willis, in custody. Now, with just a few hours left in the first 48.
That ramp is too short. Oh my word. Yeah, take it easy. It's all the semi. You try to get over breakdown.